Somebody come pet me, I'm showing you my belly. Ow, it's a trap, it's a trap, it's a trap, it's a trap!
Ladies and gentlemen, the volume inside of this bus is astronomical. It is way
Ooh, this out, ooh, ass this out, ooh, ooh, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Ooh, this out, ooh, ass this out, ooh, ooh, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
What did you see first? If you saw the cat first, it means that you're outgoing and ambitious, you work hard because you want to succeed. If you saw the dog first, it means that you're positive and curious, you look at everything like it's new, and you're gullible.
I'm not especially fond of dogs. To be completely frank, I hate them. Woof.
I don't know who needs to hear this, but some people are built like cats, so they won't put a ton of effort into befriending you, but they still like sitting in the same room with you because they think you're neat, plus you give off more body heat than they do.
He's waiting for me to search his favorite one. Alright, let's see if we can find your lizard. Hang on. We're gonna look. We're looking. Hey, you like the fish. Do you want your fish? Oh. Okay. Okay, the fish. Right. We'll play the fish game. There you go, get it.
This house is a playground for cats. 24 cats to be exact. It's called the House of Neko. It was started by Zen Cat, founded by Peter Cohen. They're a cat rescue that also works to raise awareness about FIP, a disease that affects nearly 2% of cats. The house is constantly being updated, so the cats always have something new to explore.
This is Worm. He's a brat. He demands that I say good morning to him every time he wakes up, even if it's 5:30 p.m. like it is right now. So I just wanted to record me saying good morning to him because I think it's cute. So yeah. Alright, so what we do when I say good morning to him is I'll grab him under his little kitty armpits and then lift him up like this and he'll stretch. And then I gotta kiss him on the forehead and say, hello, Worm. He wants me to hold him like a baby, so I do that. And then kind of rub his face a little bit. And I say, good morning, my worm. Good morning, baby worm. A kiss on each cheek. If I do just one, he hits me. But, yeah. I hope you enjoyed.
Okay. Ooh, this out, ooh, ass this out, ooh, ooh, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. Ooh, this out, ooh, ass this out, ooh, ooh, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it, hit it. All of the things I do.
I like it, but not a lot. I don't like it.
So I've always wondered why there's the term cat people. So I did some research and I found out why. It turns out there is an extremely common brain parasite that cats carry in their feces that can spread to other species, mainly humans. It's estimated that 30 to 40% of the population already has the parasite and is laying dormant in their system. Evolutionarily speaking, the reason that this parasite exists is the parasite can get into the brain of the cat's prey and it manipulates the prey to be more attracted to the cats and be more prone to take risk-taking behavior, making it very easy prey for the cat. What this means is that a cat can literally manipulate your brain to like them more. So that is why there are cat people.